not working a runway show? The hair better not fall flat. With the new Tresemme 24-hour body collection, the hair holds up through, well, anything. The new Tresemme 24-hour body products with volume control complex are proven to hold body longer. All day, in fact. Through wardrobe changes, spotlights, lasting volume from morning till night. Without the salon price, gorgeous. Tresemme. Professional, affordable.
It's time to start driving, America. And your Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep dealers are doing whatever it takes to get you on the road. Announcing Employee Pricing Plus Plus. America, we're giving you our employee pricing on every vehicle. Plus savings up to $6,000 on remaining '08 models. Or savings up to $3,500 on select '09 models. Plus, well-qualified buyers get 0% financing. Get an all-new Dodge Ram for around $21 grand. See your Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep dealers today for Employee Pricing Plus Plus and get driving, America. You're watching Indiana Sports, celebrating 60 years. Indiana.
Gossip Girl here. Your one and only source for the scandalous lives of Manhattan's elite.
Sounds like you still like me.
I'm really sorry about me. If it's any consolation, I don't think you ever really liked me anyway.